In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to install emulators on Steam Deck. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website emudeck.com. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find the option of download. Click on that. Here you're going to find different download option. Select Steam OS. Now go ahead and click on the option download for free. Once it has been downloaded, now you will need to install it. Click on the file. Now locate in your files and run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when it asks, you can choose between easy or custom mode. I recommend custom if you want more control over which emulators get installed. Next, select your storage location and choose the emulators you want. For example, you can install a PlayStation 3 emulator like RPCS3 and Nintendo Switch emulator like Yuzu. Continue through the setup and let EmuDeck install everything automatically. Once installation is complete, you may need to fix Steam ROM Manager if it does not open properly. To do that, go back into EmuDeck, find Steam ROM Manager in the Tools section and reset its configuration. After that, it should open correctly and allow you to proceed. Now, before playing games, you need to configure your emulators. Open each emulator manually, install the required firmware, and set up your controller inputs. And that's it. This way you are able to install emulators on Steam Deck. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.